This is Off the Cuff Cooking with Rachel
and Jodie.
Today's episode features the dueling cookie presses.
Let's get started. Today's recipe comes from the Better Homes and Gardens New Cookbook. I like this because I like the cover. They say not to judge a book by its cover, but
sometimes you can.
Spritz cookies.
All right.
With the cookie press. Okay, here we go.
Okay,
I preheated the oven to 375 degrees.
Okay,
in a large bowl, you're going to beat the butter. Do you want butter?
how much butter?
1.5 cups. Yeah, there we go.
On high?
High. Medium to high. Good. Okay.
That's good.
Now, add the granulated sugar.
Okay.
That's 1 cup.
1 cup of sugar. 1 teaspoon
One
of
teaspoon.
baking powder.
And you're going to beat until combined, scraping the sides of the bowl down occasionally.
Okay. Now what?
Okay, beat in 1 egg.
Okay.
And
Okay.
1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract.
Oh.
Beat that until combined.
Okay.
And now you're going to add 3.5 cups of flour. It says though, beat in as much of the flour as you can with the mixer. Stir in any remaining flour.
Okay.
I don't know what that means.
You measured this out already?
Yes.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah, it's measured out. Flour's fine.
Yep.
Maybe let's turn it off. Put a little bit of flour in.
Sorry, Jodie. I can't. It's hard for me to. My fingers are weak. And I couldn't push it. Oh dear.
I can do this side if you need me to. So that if your delicate fingers can't.
I think it's done.
Okay, let's say it's done. I read not to use parchment paper
Really?
in the directions with that cookie thing, but that's with that recipe.
Oh, okay.
So what do you think?
I always like to use parchment paper.
Okay, then let's use parchment paper. Okay, let's see if we can figure this out. Oh. Look how cute yours is.
That's a cute cookie.
It is. I like that. This is not. Oh man, look how cute yours is. Okay, and then straight up. Yeah. Mine isn't working right. Here, let me start. Ouch. Well, this is not good.
Okay.
Look, there's
You
a
ready?
big old wad.
You ready? Here we
Yeah,
go. Here we
I'm
go.
ready.
And go.
But, okay. It doesn't come.
Do it again.
I think I like that one better.
Try 3 clicks.
Okay. Oh, did you hear that click?
Yeah.
I think we're supposed to hear that. Click.
Yeah.
Click. No, that didn't click. There's 3 clicks.
Hold it down there.
There's 3 cookies. Okay.
Okay, do it again. Let's do 2.
Okay, 2.
Yeah.
No, let's
Pump
just
it.
do.
Pump it.
It's not working. I'm trying.
There you go.
Okay.
Now pull it straight up.
Straight up. Okay, straight up. But it just.
Man,
Look at all that dough.
that's a lot of dough. Okay, we're gonna
That's
try.
because I keep clicking.
let's
Look
try
how much.
that again.
Look how much dough has come
Okay,
down.
we're gonna try it again with 1 click.
1 click. Almost.
Okay. Okay, hold it. Push it. Push
Okay.
it. Okay.
Okay. And up. Okay, here we go.
Yep.
Oh, almost.
Keeps getting.
Okay. Oh.
That is a cute little heart.
That is a cute little heart.
What if we'll just put it together?
Yeah.
Look, we can take one of these that you already made over here.
Well, I kind of thought that's what we were going to
Now
do.
it's a 4-leaf
Oh,
clover.
a 4-leaf clover. Oh, I like that.
Yeah. There we go. There, that's perfect.
Okay, perfect. Let's make those.
All right.
Okay, here we go.
Cookie time.
Here's your little plate.
Thank you. I love
Green.
these little plates.
Green for St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna eat this one.
Okay, well, I think I have to eat the one and only.
You need to eat that one. Pretty good.
I'm surprised.
I think it's a really
I
good
wasn't
cookie.
sure.
I would like it to be a little sweeter, but I think it tastes exactly like a Spritz cookie is supposed
Yes.
to taste. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, the good news is, you know, I told you I had a surprise.
Yep.
There's a chocolate chip cookie recipe in this book.
That's more like it.
And
Bring on the
I
chocolate.
got up this morning at 4:30
Ooh,
and made some.
4:30.
So you choose which one you want to try.
I want this one.
Okay. Now, if you don't like a cakey cookie, you're not going to like this. You know how some chocolate chip cookies are flat and just terrible?
You used Trader Joe's chocolate chips, didn't you?
Yes, I did. I did. But look at that. See, that's a cakey cookie.
Oh,
right
a
there.
cookie cookie.
I would check that book out just to get that recipe.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching another episode of Off the Cuff Cooking.
You can check out this cookbook from the Fort Smith Public Library.